The next train at platform 4 is the 11:08 cross-country service to Penzance, calling at Dunbar, Berwick-upon-Tweed, Newcastle, Durham, Darlington, York, Leeds, Wakefield Westgate, Sheffield, Chesterfield, Derby, Burton-on-Trent, Birmingham New Street, Cheltenham Spa, Bristol Parkway, Bristol Temple Meads, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes, Plymouth, Liskeard, Bodmin Parkway, Parr, St Austell, Truro, Redruth, Camborne, St Erth and Penzance. This train originates here. The next train at platform 1 is the 12:01 Northern Rail service to Leeds, calling at Crossflats, Bingley, Saltaire, Shipley and Leeds. This train is the service from Skipton. The next train at platform 8 is the 0840 East Coast service to London King's Cross, calling at Wakefield Westgate, Doncaster, Newark Northgate, Peterborough and London King's Cross. The next train at platform 2 is the 0743 TransPennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street, calling at Malton, York, Leeds, Huddersfield, Staley Bridge, Manchester Piccadilly, Manchester Oxford Road, Birchwood, Warrington Central, Liverpool South Parkway and Liverpool Lime Street. This is the service from Scarborough. First class and a buffet service is available on this train. The next train at platform 3 is the 1200 East Coast service to Inverness, calling at Peterborough, York, Newcastle, Edinburgh, Haymarket, Falkirk Grahamston, Stirling, Gleneagles, Perth, Pitlochry, Kingussie, Aviemore and Inverness. First class is available on this train and a buffet service is available on this train. The next train at platform 1 is the 0644 Southeastern service to London St Pancras International, calling at Broadstairs, Ramsgate, Canterbury West, Ashford International, Stratford International and London St Pancras International. This train originates here. The next train at platform 1 is the 0821 Arriva Trains Wales service to Holyhead, calling at Gobowen, Chirk, Rewabon, Wrexham General, Chester, Flint, Prestatyn, Rhyl, Colwyn Bay, Llandudno Junction, Conwy, Penmaen Moor, Llanfair Fechan, Bangor, Llanfair Fwyl, Bogorden, T Crowes, Rosnegra, Valley and Holyhead. The next train at platform 3 is the 1300 First Great Western service to Bristol Temple Meads, calling at Swindon, Chippenham, Bath Spa and Bristol Temple Meads. This train is the service from London Paddington. First class and a buffet service is available on this train.